Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It has been a very long time. Way too long, I know that. If you're not sure why I've been away for so long, I'm finally feeling back to myself. I had a very crazy thing happen to me. If you want to know more about that, there is a highlight on my Instagram page. But yeah, I don't really feel like retelling the story all the time, so go watch that if you're curious. Here we are, very happy to be back. I just came back from Europe. It was an incredible time and extremely hot, if you're not aware. So today I wanted to share with you guys my very easy summer makeup routine. Thanks to Merit for giving me these products. If you are a minimalist beauty person like myself, if you don't really know what you're doing when it comes to makeup, Merit is definitely for you because they just simplify the makeup routine, and that's what I'm here for. So without further ado, here is my glowy summer makeup with Merit. So I always start off with an SPF as a base because it's summer and I do not want those wrinkles. After my SPF, I just go in with my Perfecting Complexion Stick. I just use this to go over my dark circles, any spots I'm having, and you can blend with your fingers or a beauty blender, whatever you prefer. I picked up a darker color because I'm finally a little bit more tan. I tend to be really red in this area, so I just kind of go like this. I like to blend with a beauty blender. I just like how it feels, so let's do that. All right, next up, I just like to give my face a little bit of color, a little bit of dimension, because I tend to look very flat after putting on some complexion. So I'm gonna go in with the Flush Balm. I have two. I have this color. That one is called Cheeky. It's this really beautiful pink color. And then I also have this Terracotta color, which I have not yet used, so I think we're gonna try it today. I got the Terracotta color because I just like to look very naturally bronzed in the summer. So we're gonna give this a try and see if I get that little bronze goddess look. Pretty. So I'm just gonna go up my cheeks like so. Honestly, my first makeup lesson ever, I learned about this 3 shape, and that's kind of where the sun naturally hits you, sort of on your brow bone here, and then on your cheeks. And then that is supposed to look very natural. So you can blend this in with your fingers, or you can use their everyday brush. As you can see, mine's a little bit pink already from using the pink one, but I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this in. I feel like that's really light, so you could layer it. Let's get some more bronze going. That's nice. I always like to rub the excess off on my nose, give myself a little extra bronze. Now, since I have lash extensions, I have not really been wearing mascara. They do have a mascara option. I do really like it. It's super buildable. But I'm skipping that today, obviously. Lash extensions are incredible. But I'm gonna go in with their volumizing pomade. This is their brow gel in the color brown. This is the packaging. It's super beautiful. Now, the funny thing is, you're gonna think this is opposite. This side is actually the wand. I know, I feel like the first few times I opened it, I was like, man, feels backwards, but very beautiful packaging, very cute. And then I'm gonna just go in on one side and I'll show you the difference. So as you can see, this side is done, this side is not. I feel like it just really adds that contrast on your face and gives it a nice little clean look. So let's go in and finish the other side. Nothing says summer like a good gloss in my opinion, and so we're gonna go in with this baby. This is the Merit Shade Slick. It's a tinted lip oil. So beautiful. All right, let's go ahead and put it on. I think I forgot to mention the color. This is Pink Beet. I think it's the most pink color, and pink is just my jam in the summer because when my skin is pasty, I feel like I can't pull it off. But here we go. All right, there you have it, the final makeup look with Merit. Very quick, very easy, especially when you're not talking through it. And I just think it's a nice little glowy look. You don't feel bogged down by too much makeup for when you start sweating in the summer heat. I hope you guys like this video. Please be sure to shop with the link down in my bio if you're interested. DM me if you have any questions. Highly recommend this minimalist makeup look. Okay, bye.